Hey guys, Justin here. Well, found me a 93 Mustang. I'm using my phone to record this, but I found me a clutch brake pedal assembly. I'm not sure exactly what was in this car, 2.3, 5 liter or what. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull this out. Luckily the steering column's already been pulled. That would be the hard part. But luckily it's already pulled and just had to climb up in here and get it done. Cause she's up on our car. Old Lincoln. Alrighty, well, made it home. And I got the part. Sure, it's real fun to get out. But for the price I got her for, can't complain. I got all the switches for it, which I may go ahead and replace. So yeah, this came out of 93 Mustang. It was a 5.0. Yeah, I got this part for $15. Just had to pull it out. Went over eBay, we've been everywhere. Everybody's been wanting at least $180 just for this. Yeah, I got this part, goes on as well. Then half of them didn't have that, so I don't think I do too bad.